Hines, and I'd like to tell you what White Apple Institute has done for me. First of all, Dr. Applewhite and I have been friends for 32 years. I know her very well as a person as well as an educator. The woman is dynamite as an educator. I've watched students just lean forward in rapt attention to listen to her lessons. So I know that she knows what she's talking about. More recently, in this past year, I experienced homelessness as a result of a very mean and nasty landlord. And I ended up spending 2 weeks in a hotel because I had no place to live. Fortunately, I was able to get some help through Senior Helpline, and Dr. Applewhite came to my rescue and helped me find a family to give me a place to stay for about 6 months. And then she ended up helping me get a more permanent position, a place to stay with someone that I care about very much. And I'm paying affordable rent now, which is not bankrupting me, thank goodness. And I just want everybody to know that she has both the education, the knowledge, and the passion to help people, particularly with disabilities, whether they're visible disabilities or invisible disabilities. She has a very good contact list, so she has a lot of people that she works with, to get services for her students. And she's most passionate about working with veterans, whether they're disabled or they're not, but particularly disabled. And she's brought a lot of people in from the outside who share that passion with her. And I just wanted to say thank you very much. I appreciate what you do. I love you.